Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract others, while others struggle to get even a little attention? Well, the secret lies in the X factor of attraction. In this video, we will explore the key elements that make someone irresistible and how you can use them to make anyone chase you effortlessly. First off, let's talk about confidence. The most attractive people are those who exude confidence. They know their worth and are comfortable in their own skin. This self-assurance makes them magnetic and draws people towards them. So if you want to make anyone chase you, work on building your confidence. Believe in yourself and own your unique qualities. This will make you stand out in a sea of people and make others want to know more about you. Aside from confidence, another important factor is positivity. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate positive energy. When you have a positive outlook, you become a breath of fresh air for others, and they want to be around you. So focus on being optimistic and spreading good vibes. This will make you irresistible and make others want to chase after you. Next up, we have the power of mystery. It's human nature to be curious about the unknown, and this applies to attraction as well. When you leave a little to the imagination, you create a sense of mystery that keeps people intrigued. So, don't be an open book and reveal everything about yourself right away. Leave a little mystery and let others chase after you to unravel it. Another aspect that makes someone irresistible is their passion. Having a strong passion for something is incredibly attractive. It shows that you have a drive and ambition, and that is a quality that everyone admires. So find your passion and pursue it with all your heart. This will not only make you more attractive, but also fulfill you in a way that nothing else can. Lastly, we have the importance of being yourself. The most attractive people are those who are authentic and unapologetically themselves. Trying to be someone you're not will only attract the wrong kind of people. Embrace your quirks and imperfections because they make you unique and attractive. Remember, no one can be a better version of you than yourself.